A tornado watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 81 degrees under cloudy skies with windy conditions. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, gusty winds during the evening, low 72. Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, high 90. Here's our 7-day outlook.
If you're just joining us right now, I have never seen a tropical storm with this type of weather. We're talking the strongest winds that we have seen sustain easily over 40 miles per hour. Yet, as blue skies as you can imagine. Let's show you. I look at all directions. There's the Statue of Liberty. Look at how vibrant those skies are. Yet the winds are so strong because we're near that core. There's been so much dry air wrapped around in it. I want to pan up really quickly and look at these little clouds, if you can see them. So you got the high clouds. Those ones aren't moving, but look at these little clouds. They are racing through. We've had a complete 180 in our wind direction. Now it's coming totally upriver, and this is the concern for if we're going to have any coastal flooding, it's going to be right now. You can see the silhouette of Governor's Island, and there's Lady Liberty. There's the Staten Island Ferry. I don't know if there's people on it because they had suspended service at 1 p.m. this afternoon, and yet I now have seen it come back and forth, but yet the wind, look at these waves. Hey, look down at these waves. This was like glass earlier today, and now you've got quite the white cap action here just outside of Lower Manhattan. There's the financial district. The skies are as blue can be, and then we pan up this way. You got the Brooklyn Bridge. You got the leftover cloud deck. That was what was over us for so long, but now that is racing off towards the north and east. And it's the most vivid color you can imagine. I'm trying to paint this picture for you guys. Even if we look at Brooklyn, pan over this way really quick. Look at Brooklyn. Look how blue those skies are. That's that dry air that's rapidly coming in behind our front. The weather's actually going to be very nice tonight. And it's really, I'm trying to capture this for everyone watching, just so you can see it through my eyes. I've never been in a tropical system like this where I am dry, but yet we have the strongest winds happening with the dry weather. A very unique system. Of course, it wasn't like that in North Carolina yesterday, but here in New York, these are the kind of winds that can still cause damage. I know it seems idyllic and clear, the weather's improving, yet the winds are at their strongest, especially in areas that maybe it wasn't as strong earlier today. Now you're getting those stronger winds. I want to bring in Jackie to the conversation, and maybe, Jackie, you've kind of been following along with me. Is there anything that maybe you're seeing or that points out to you?
The main thing I've been tracking is actually what's been north of you, Chris, and that's been all the tornadoes. We have a little lull in the action, expect that back, but it's so interesting to me, Chris, to see conditions so changeable in a tropical system, in the sense that a lot of times we'll get the strongest winds right within the strongest storm within the tropical too, right? So as the wind is beating down on you, you're getting the strongest winds, but to see blue skies, it's deceiving because you look out your window
Look
and
at
everything
that.
looks pretty. But the wind is one thing that you can't see unless you're looking at trees or you're looking at